Hi, myself Ashutosh Kumar from Naiti Hospital, Mathura. Here I would like to teach you some very simple yoga practices what will improve our immune system and it can help us in fighting with coronavirus. First of all, I would like to teach you very simple practice, Skanda Chakrasana, which helps us to improve our heart and lungs capacity. You can see this demonstration how to practice. Raise your hands, palms facing up, fold it and rest on the shoulders. Touch your elbows in front of the face, and now you have to rotate it from front to the back like this. You can practice it up to 10 times and then same practice in reverse order. Now you have to move your elbows back, then up and then front, keeping your head, neck and spine in one straight line like this. You can practice it 10 times each side. This practice will help you a lot to improve your heart and lungs capacity. It will improve the immune system as well as. Next, I would like to teach you Kapalbhati Pranayam. This pranayam generates lots of heat in our body, which helps to improve the immune system and also digestive system. In this practice, you have to sit straight with your spine erect and the hands resting on the top of the knees. Head, neck and spine in one straight line, and now you have to forcefully exhale. Inhalation will happen automatically by default like this. While you are exhaling, your abdomen will move in and it will come out when you will inhale. So it will look like this. After 25 to 30 strokes like this, you can rest and you can practice it up to 4 rounds, and slowly gradually you can improve the number of strokes from 25 to 50 in few days. This practice will help you a lot in improving your immune system and at the same time your digestive system. And now third practice I would like to introduce, which is known as Tiryak Tadrasana. This practice you have to do in a standing position. So you have to stand on your feet like this. You have to keep your feet separate, interlock the fingers of your hand and stretch it down like this. Keep the neck, head and spine straight and raise your hands up like this. Then you have to bend your body to your right side. Then inhaling up to the left side. Keeping the elbows straight, bend the body from the waist and then down. Again up. This practice you can do up to 10 rounds easily, and after that you have to sit. Keep the eyes closed for a while. Feel the effect of the practice you have done with the closed eyes. Maintain your awareness to breath for some time, and then slowly, gradually you can open your eyes. This way you can practice all these asanas, which will take hardly 5 to 7 minutes, and it will improve your immune system. You can practice it at your home without monitoring of a teacher. So I request you all to do all these practices twice a day, in the morning as well as in the evening if you have time. And of course you should take care of your food and water also. You should have fresh food and lukewarm water maximum number of time. This way you can take care of your health, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.